Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you are watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the BattleNet error code, which is the BLZBNTAGT00000960. That's a long error code. So it's a very simple process and let's get straight into it. So firstly, you have to update your graphics driver. So if you have an NVIDIA or AMD Radeon graphics driver, you can just right click anywhere on your desktop, and then if you're on Windows 10, you just click on show more options. You can see you will have NVIDIA or AMD right here. So in AMD, you can just see this, you can just open it up and here check for updates. And here it will show the driver is up to date. Okay, and there's another method, which is to click on this start menu and search for device manager. This window should pop up, and in your display drivers, right click on it and click on update driver. Okay, and then click on search for automatic, and it will say that the best drivers are already installed. If not, it will offer a new update. So install that and you're done. Okay, next, make sure your Windows updates are fully up to date. So you're just going to click on the start button and search for Windows update. Okay, this should pop up and you're going to check for updates. This process will take a while, so just bear with me. And you can see I have a couple of updates here and it's installing and downloading. So make sure everything is installed and up to date. And that's about it guys. That will help resolve the issue that you're having with BattleNet. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.